There's two B's, yeah. I think that's supposed to be an E.
Okay, I guess that's the one that's down.
Look at the makeshift 15 rail. Very nice.
Looks like a vector rail.
Huh.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Wow, these things are slow. I guess they're pretty big though.
Yes. B, D, C, B, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5, 16, 17. Whoa, creepy.
Yeah, it's like a boiler.
Wait, was that F?
Yeah.
Ha, and then C is 0. I didn't even realize that. They're just running out of braille, so they have to put random stuff in, I guess. Uh-oh.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How'd you guys end up in the service elevator?
Oh, we just saw the door.
Yeah, we just saw the elevators and we're like, oh, more elevators. And then we went down and then it opened into some creepy area. We're like, oh, we'll go back up to where we came from.
Oh, you guys on the 21st?
Yeah.
All right.
So there's not even rooms. You could be staying in the conference room.
Just camping out in the brightest area.
Why did she even ask that? There's literally not a single room. She said, okay.
Yeah, she was like, alrighty then.
I don't get paid enough for this. she probably knew there were more rooms up there and just asked that to like see what we would say. Were you filming the whole time?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, at least now it's going to be an even more interesting video. And that's it.